Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. It's time to celebrate something. It's time to celebrate the moon pie. So grab some moon pies. We're gonna learn a little bit about them, and we're gonna make a moon pie bread pudding. In a bowl, we need 6 eggs, half cup of sugar, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk that together. Add 3 cups of milk and whisk until combined. And we're gonna stir in 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Now you need to grab those moon pies. We're gonna be chopping 10 of them and placing them in a prepared baking dish. Add that liquid mixture on top. And pushing it all down so it's all submerged. Now bake it at 325 for 40 to 50 minutes. Moon pies have been around for quite some time. They were actually created in 1917. They were created by a man named Earl Mitchell. He was a salesman for the Chattanooga Bakery, and he was visiting Kentucky, the coal miners in Kentucky, trying to see if he could get coal miners to come up with an idea for a bakery product. The coal miners said they wanted something that was as big as the moon that would satisfy them during their short breaks. So guess what? Moon pies were created. When they came out, moon pies just cost a nickel, and people would have it with an RC cola that also cost a nickel. During the wartime, the miners went to war and they brought their moon pies. They let all their pals try them, and soon enough, moon pies became a nationwide treat. They also make moon pies double-decker, and they come in different flavors: vanilla, banana, salted caramel, and you can find orange only during Mardi Gras. Celebrate the moon pie. It's done and it looks great. I'm gonna serve with a little hot fudge. That's great. I love that toasted marshmallow flavor. It's a tasty tribute to moon pies. What kind of lotion do bullfighters use? Olay!